Hey there, 4th grade. We have a great game here for you today. Name that number. It can be found on page 268 of your SRB. Here's what you're going to need. One set of number cards and 2 or 3 people to play the game with. You're going to be working on using operations to find a number, a specific number. So, to get started, shuffle that deck of cards. Deal 5 cards to each person. Place the remaining cards number side down in between you all. And turn over the top card and place it beside the deck. That will be your target number. Alright? So the goal here is to try to match that target number using the cards, the 5 cards that you have. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Okay, so let's look at the example here. The target card is 16. That's the one that was flipped over. Here are the 5 cards I have in my hand. I'm trying to get it to equal 16. Here are some possibilities. 10 plus 8 minus 2 equals 16. I used addition and subtraction. Okay. We also have one here with parentheses, so saying do this first. So we have 14, so 10 plus 14 is 24, minus 8 equals 16. That used 4 cards. You can also see one here. 5 times 2, that's 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1, plus 8, 9, plus 7, 16. That used all 5 cards, boys and girls. So when you have that, you're going to write that equation on a piece of paper just so you can keep track of it, and people can see that as well so that you can check each other's work. And then you're going to set those cards you use off to the side. So if I used these 3, if I used the 10, 8, and 2 to get 16, I'm going to set those to the side. I will then pull 3 new cards from the pile to replace those cards I used. If I used all 5, I'd have to pull 5 new cards. This is going to continue until there are not enough cards to replace all the players' cards. The player who set aside the most cards is the winner. That's why, boys and girls, you want to use strategy and try to use as many cards as possible in finding that target number. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. However, you're writing it down. You have to remember your sequence. So when you write your problem down, make sure that it's going in the right order to get your number. That's why the parentheses are huge there, stating do this before you do the next step. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoy. Name that number.